Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Paraverse token. Ticker symbol is PVS. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 14th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their webpage is paraverse.cc. Over there they have tons of information there. There's developers, hub, developer console, contact information, blog articles. They have a GitHub. They have a YouTube channel, Threads, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, you name it, all on here. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 14th, 5 a.m. this morning, so time has passed. It is available now on a central exchange called Weex, W-E-E-X. So if you haven't tried Weex before, I do have a Weex referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Weex referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PVS, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this company, it's called Paraverse Technology, has all sorts of different products. So their products here are Lark, XR, UE streaming, Web3 plus 3D rendering. They have an industry section where they talk about manufacturing, AEC, education, real estate, and healthcare. And they have different applications. So this is like a huge ecosystem here. They have digital twins, digital human, training, simulation, metaverse entertainment, spatial commerce, 3D marketing, Web3 gaming, Web3, 3D assets trading. And then they have the developer section, which has the glossary, the resources, the tech insights console, and then company information where you can see blogs, the XR solution zone, sponsorship program, partnerships, etc. All sorts of info all over their webpage about anything you could think of. Now it says here is the new Gen Web, a decentralized cloud rendering and Web3 transaction platform for XR and 3D assets. So they have on their webpage here, they have the news and blogs. So that's going to have tons of info on specific things if you're looking up info specifically on the token. They talk about how this token is on the Solana blockchain, so you'll be able to find it on SolScan. If you're looking for the chart, the price, and all of the statistical information, you'll be able to find it on places like Birdeye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. So it says here, Paraverse PVS token officially listed on Solana March 13th. So that was just yesterday. So this is a brand new token. It says powering the decentralized real-time cloud rendering ecosystem. So Paraverse Technology, a pioneer in parallel cloud technology, announced March 13th the official listing of its ecosystem utility token, the PVS Paraverse token, on Solana, marking the launch of its decentralized real-time cloud rendering ecosystem. The PVS token will serve as the core tool for payments, rewards, and governance within the ecosystem. Users can access high-performance cloud rendering services, participate in ecosystem development, and freely trade on major exchanges by holding PVS. So official webpage, paraverse.pc, and you can go to cc. You can go to paraverse.cc/PVS, and that's going to have specific token info. Looks like the token ends in pump, which means it was most likely created on pump.fun. It's also listed on Gecko Terminal, Photon, GMGN. So it says the PVS token is the lifeblood of the Paraverse ecosystem, meticulously designed to power the economy of real-time cloud rendering for 3D applications. As the utility token of the Paraverse ecosystem, PVS is used for paying for rendering services, earning staking rewards, accessing 3D applications, trading on exchanges. PVS ensures liquidity for digital asset transactions and covers transaction fees within the ecosystem. The token's value is driven by both speculative interests and fundamental demand. As the network expands and usage increases, the value of PVS will increasingly depend on its utility and demand within the ecosystem. The potential for PVS tokens application is closely tied to the growth of the adoption of the Paraverse ecosystem. As the network expands, demand for PVS will surge due to the pivotal roles in payments, staking, and participation rewards. Furthermore, as the developers and users engage with the ecosystem for rendering services and 3D applications, the utility and scarcity of PVS tokens are expected to contribute significantly to its long-term value appreciation. Now, Paraverse Technology, a global leader in digital parallel world technology, is spearheading the proprietary development of Lark XR. That's what I mentioned earlier. An enterprise-grade real-time 3D XR cloud streaming and rendering solution. Lark XR harnesses the powerful capabilities of large-scale cloud resources, ushering in a revolutionary transformation in the 3D XR industry. Leveraging Lark XR as its foundation, Paraverse has created Paralab, a leading decentralized real-time cloud rendering platform, and Parahere, which is a groundbreaking 3D digital asset transaction and circulation platform built on the Lark network. So you can check out more at paraverse.cc, and you can find this token newly listed as of today on Weex. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Weex one. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.